Yes, so let me just explain what all is omitted. Yes, so from the third chapter, 3.2, question 6 is omitted. Then linear division is omitted completely. From 3.3, question number 5 and 6 are omitted. Still, we had practiced it last time. Then from 3.5, question number 10, 11, 12, 13 are omitted. From 3.6, question 2, 5, 6, and 7 are omitted. Okay. Then just a second. Yes. Okay, yeah, continuing. And from problem set, question 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are omitted. Okay, so I hope you all have an idea now what all is omitted. Yes. Okay. Someone is saying 9th question, second sum. Okay, so this is P of X. I'm doing 3.5, question number 9, second sum. P of X is given as 2x cubed minus x square minus 45, and Q of X is given as x minus 3. Okay. And they are telling us, using factor theorem, determine whether Q of X is a factor of P of X or not. We want to check whether this is a factor of this. So if remainder is 0, then it is a factor. So what we'll do is, this is what we have done to find the factor. Whatever the divisor is, x minus 3 is the divisor, equate it to 0. So you'll get extra value. If minus 3 goes to the right, it becomes 3. Okay. This 3, we can substitute it in P of X. So it will become P of, now instead of X, the value is 3. So instead of X, I can put 3. 2 into 3 cube minus 3 square minus 40. Okay. So if you solve this, whatever answer you get, if it is 0, for example, 2 cube, you know, it's 50, it's 27. 27 to the 54. Minus this is 9 and minus 45. This minus minus gets added, which becomes 54 minus 54, which is 0. Since the remainder is 0, so we can say by factor theorem, Q of X is a factor of P of X. Okay. Omitted sums will not come in the test. Okay. Rishi Jain, we are concentrating on third chapter because this Sunday we have third chapter test. So take chapter 2 next time. Okay, we'll take it next time. Okay, someone is asking 3.6 related doubt. Okay, 3.6 fifth sum is this. Root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3. You have to factorize. So this is splitting the middle term, with the first step is multiply the first and the last. So root 3 into root 3 gives us 3. The factors of 3 will be 3 and 1. And see, if the last sign is plus, that means you have to add and get the middle number. So if I add 3 and 1, it becomes 4. Okay. So I'll write it as root 3x square plus 3x plus 1x लिखो या x लिखो एक ही बात है plus root 3. Okay. So factors of 3 are 3 and 1. And I've written 3x and 1x adding 4x. Okay. Next, let's try and take common. So I'll write this as root 3 x square. I'll break it into x plus 3. You know that 3 can be written as this, root 3 into root 3. So 3 I'm writing as root 3 into root 3 x plus root 3. So if I compare in this group, I can see root 3x is common. So bachega x plus root 3. In this group, there's nothing common. I'll write 1 common, x plus root 3. This is the same bracket, so it will come outside. And root 3x plus 1. Okay. Which extra x? This x square hai na? X square means it's x into x. Oh, sorry, I did not mention. This was 3.6 fifth sum of question 1. Okay, let me know if there's any doubt here. Okay, fine. So Daniel, you understood. It is not necessary to write step 2. Okay. Yes, someone is saying to do the sixth sum. Yes, Aditi, these are omitted even in school exam because the circular has come from boards. Okay, now someone is asking for a different sum. Someone is saying sixth sum. Again 3.6, question 1, sixth sum. Okay. So in this case also multiply the first and the last number. Half into 4 is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 answer. So half x square. 2 ka factors we know is 2 and 1. And if we add them, I'm getting the middle number 3. So I'll write minus 2x minus x plus 4. Okay. Now here before taking common, do the LCM. So I'll write it as 2 upon 1 and I'll cross multiply, that is 1 into 1. This 1 into 1 will remain 1, so this will be x square minus, if I cross multiply this, it will become 4x, plus 4 into 1 will become 2x. 2 into 1 will become 4x. 4 into 1 will become 2x. 2 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 into 1 upon, if I multiply the denominator, it will be 2 into 1, 2 minus x plus 4. Okay, here if I take common, I'll get x common, and denominator 2 is also the common denominator. So 2 को भी बाहर निकालते हैं. तो यहाँ पे last time I had broken it into two parts. That's why Daniel must have gotten confused. So now I'm keeping it as it is. X square से x गया तो एक x बच जाएगा. Minus इधर से x गया तो 4 बचेगा. Nothing is coming common here. Nothing common means 1 is common. And first sign is minus, so minus 1. So inside, if I take minus common, the plus sign changes. So I'll get x minus 4. Okay. So if I take both the x minus 4's common, so what remains is these two. X upon 2 minus 1. See, we have done these sums already and you all already have the videos. So Arya, even sums related to omitted sums won't be asked. What was not 3x in the question? In between there is minus 3x only. Jay, I have done the same sum that you're asking. We are not cancelling 2 and 4 because whenever there's minus or plus in between, we cannot cancel. Ratio and proportional should be done this week or maximum next week. Okay. Precision, I've just done 3.5 question 6 only this is. Question 1, sum number 6 this was. Okay, this is the sum. Yeah, linear equation, I've already taught. Now only one more exercise is remaining. We should finish the chapter this week. Okay. Yes, Rishi. Oh, sorry, 3.55 questions. Now we're doing 3.5 question 6. Okay. The polynomial I'm naming it as p of y is given as y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus n. It is divided by y plus 2, so this is the divisor. And the remainder is 50. You have to find this thing. Okay. Now I've told you before also that whenever p of y is given, this is our dividend. This becomes a divisor. Okay. So divisor को हम लोग ले लेते हैं y plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 right में जाएगा तो minus 2 हो जाएगा. And we can substitute that minus 2 here in all these values. So I'll get p of minus 2. Let's substitute it everywhere. So minus 2 cube minus 5 minus 2 square plus 7 minus 2 plus n. Okay. So this if I solve, minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 square is 4. This becomes 4. 5 4 are so minus 20. ये multiply करके minus 14 plus n. If I add 8 and 14, this will become 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. Fine. Achha, now you know that this, whatever we get by solving is the remainder. And they have told us that the remainder, that is minus 42 plus n, this remainder is equal to 50. M ka value we can get by taking minus 42 there and adding. So 50 plus 42. M is equal to 92. Right? Just check if there's any calculation error. Okay, Jay Chavan, you can watch it in the video then. Okay, fine. Someone is saying, I've already, Angeline is asking which sums are omitted. I've told you already. When the video is uploaded, look in the beginning of the video. Okay, 3.1, nothing is cancelled. Someone is asking, how is this the remainder? ये calculation जब करते हो ना, that is what remainder theorem is. When you put this, when you equate it to 0, this one, and you substitute this value here, that is what gives you the remainder. So remainder theorem यही है. When you solve it like this, you'll get the remainder. Okay. Okay, someone has a doubt in 3.2. Riya, I've taught you 3.6, all the sums. Go through the video once, and if you have a doubt, then let me know. If y, Daniel is asking, how is y equal to minus 2? Divisor को if I equate it to 0 and take plus 2 there, then y is equal to minus 2. Only third chapter is there in the test this Sunday. We always, that is how you solve it. We always have to take the divisor equal to 0. Daniel is asking, why do we take y plus 2 is equal to 0? So the answer is, in all remainder theorems, whenever they give you whatever divisor, equate it to 0. Even in synthetic division, if you remember, I told you, अगर y plus 2 है divisor, then इसका opposite लेने का, minus 2. This is the logic. Arman is asking whether linear division is fully omitted. Yes, it's completely omitted. It's not there. Yes, I have given the portion on Sunday only, Ishan, that last Sunday I sent the portion. Please contact your branch head. Polynomials is the test for this Sunday. Okay, someone is asking for the fourth question of 3.5. Okay, someone is asking a 3.2 related question. Okay. What is the doubt in 3.2? Question 1.1. Yes. In 3.2, in 3.2 question 1, first one says, there are 8 trees in the village lot. If the number of trees increase every year by b, so basically after 1 year प्लस बी होता है, ठीक है. आफ्टर 2 years पहले साल का भी बी ट्रीज ऐड हो गया था, अब वापस बी ऐड हो रहा था, प्लस बी तो 2 भी ऐड होगा, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज फर्स्ट ईयर द ट्रीज आर दीज मेनी ट्रीज. नाउ एवरी ईयर वी आर एडिंग बी. पहले साल में एक बार ही बी ऐड हुआ, सेकेंड ईयर में 2 बार बी ऐड होगा, तो 2 बी. आफ्टर 3 years there will be 3b extra trees. After 4 years there will be 4b extra trees. But now what they are telling us, we want after x years. तो यहाँ पे देखो, जब 1 था तो 1b था, 2 years था तो 2b, 3 years 3b, 4 years 4b, x years में there will be xb extra trees. तो पहले से ही 8 trees हैं, अब ये सारे नए trees आएंगे तो प्लस xb होगा. This is how we get the expression for number of trees after x years. Okay. Hello, yes. Is there any issue in hearing? Okay. Hello. Is this better? Okay, yeah, I've figured out the issue. Okay, someone is saying to check 3.1. Okay. Yeah, let me explain to you all 3.1 now. So in 3.1, we are supposed to check whether the given expressions are polynomials or not. And all you have to do is just check if I give any expression like 3x square plus 2x plus 5, all we have to do is just check whether the powers are whole numbers or not. So here x ka power is 2. So 2 is a whole number. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then here x ka power is 1. So 1 is also a whole number. Here x is only not there. When x is not there, then the power is 0. So 0 is also a whole number. Okay. So if I give example like this, y plus 1 upon y. In this, what we should do is, we should never check the power of the variable when it is in the denominator. We should always take it on top. So when we take it on top, ये y का power कुछ नहीं है, मतलब 1 है. नीचे इसका power 1 था, ऊपर जाएगा तो y का power -1 होगा. So here if you check, this is whole number, but this is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. Okay. So I hope you all have understood how to identify whether it's a polynomial or not. Okay. And see, if there is a root sign, if let's say it is root x square, sorry, x cube, ऐसा अगर root आता है, देन रिमेंबर द ऑर्डर कुछ नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे पावर 3 है, वी कैन राइट इट एज x रेज टू 3 अपॉन 2. ये पावर ऊपर आता है, ऑर्डर नीचे आता है, तो पावर अपॉन ऑर्डर है. दिस इज 3 upon 2 is also not a whole number. Okay, so even if you see root sign, that is also not a polynomial. Whenever you want to take anything in the denominator, like if it is y square, we can take anything to the denominator, but its power ka sign will change. So if y square goes on top, it will become y raised to minus 2. That is the mathematical how we work this out. Okay. Yes. So I hope everything in 3.1 and 3.2 is clear. Okay, someone is telling us 3.1 question 8. Okay, that is also very easy. If I take 1, 2, 3, this we have discussed in synthetic division. What we are looking at is the coefficient form. To convert it to normal form, that is index form. Remember, if there are 3 numbers, I told it to you all last time also. If there are 3 numbers here, then the highest power of x will be 2. ठीक है, और ये 1 उसको जाएगा, प्लस फिर कम कम करते जाओ पावर, फिर 2x आएगा, प्लस 3 आएगा. दिस इज हाउ यू विल राइट इट. 1 है तो 1 is not required, so we can even write it as x square plus 2x plus 3. Fine, I hope question 8 is also clear. Okay, someone is saying question 3. Okay, in question 3, you all should know monomial stands for 1 term, binomial stands for 2 terms, and trinomial stands for 3 terms. Now, when they are telling us a monomial with degree 7, monomial मतलब एक ही term होना चाहिए और वहाँ पे power 7 होना चाहिए. So I can write 5x raised to 7. This is a monomial. There is only 1 term and x का power is 7. So degree is 7. Then they are telling us binomial with degree 35. मतलब binomial मतलब 2 terms होने चाहिए और उसमें highest power 35 होना चाहिए. So what I'll do is starting में I'll write 7. Yes, 7x raised to 35. Correct? Plus or minus कुछ भी लिखो बीच में. I'm writing minus. The second term, write anything, but make sure it is less than 35. So I can even write 3x cubed. As long as, so binomial, there are 2 terms and your highest power is 35. So this is a binomial with degree 35. Someone is telling me 3.2 second question. Sorry, third question. Third question, my suggestion is just addition and subtraction. Just go through the videos once. You'll understand. Okay. Division, always do by synthetic division. Okay. Someone is asking me division. I have already explained in 3.3 last time doubt solving we had taken. Always solve by that method. Okay. Okay. Someone is asking 3.6 question 2 now. So let me just quickly do that. Okay, so question 2 is 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Okay. Again, this is practice at 3.6. Question 1, second sum. Okay. So here we'll multiply first and last. 2 3s are 6. 6 का factors are 6 and 1. Last sign minus है तो minus करके 5 आना चाहिए. Okay, so I'll write 2m square. 5m I'm writing it like this, 6m and 1m. minus 3. 5 will go to the bigger number, minus will go to the smaller number. Then I can take common, 2 will come common, 2m. So here m bachega plus 3. Here minus 1 will come common, m plus 3. Okay. So if I take m plus 3 common, I'll get 2m minus 1. Right? Yes, you can write the, Daniel is asking in 3.1 the sum that I thought monomial and binomial. Middle sign can be anything. You have two choices, plus or minus. If your school has only 3.1, 3.2, then I would suggest go through it. This is an important chapter for next year. So go through what we have explained for this test, so that at least little bit gets remain. Little bit you'll practice, you'll get basic things, and 3.1, 3.2 you practice perfectly for your school. Okay. So yes, everyone. I hope you'll have understood. So all the best for your Sunday test. Okay. I'll see you all then.